A buyer's market is where the buyer is in control. That's right. You are in the driver's seat. You drive the car. If you want to go 80, you're going 80. If you want to go 25, you go 25. And the seller is going to like it. The seller is going to probably do repairs if you ask for repairs. The seller will maybe even leave giant screen TVs for you in the house. So a seller's market is a time where we have an excess of inventory and sellers want and need someone to buy the house. Buyer's markets are where time on market is extended. Where the seller's market, the time, like right now, a house is on the market for, a week or two. And a buyer's market is where a property's been sitting around for 90 days. So if you want to get rid of that property and a buyer comes, you're one buyer, well, that buyer is going to control the terms. So, that buyer is going to probably get a discount on the property. They're going to get all their normal contingencies. They might even get closing costs and things like that. So that's the difference between a buyer's market and a seller's market. The other type of market that we have is something called a Goldilocks market. And I love that term. I don't know if you guys remember the popular children's book, Goldilocks and the Three Bears. And she goes and eats the porridge, and it's not too hot, not too cold. So it's defined in economic theory as a Goldilocks market where you have equilibrium. It's not quite a buyer's market and it's not quite a seller's market. So for tips like that and more, please subscribe to my YouTube channel below, and feel free to reach out to us and let us know how we can assist you with any of your home buying needs. I look forward to hearing from you. My number is 909-920-3500. Text or call today.